Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Dirty Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from BladeBinge, something I bought on there. Thanks to you guys. You guys made BladeBinge very expensive for me. I'm sure they're appreciating it. So let's take a look at this. Alright, today we're opening up with my Prince Customs Protean. Love this little guy. Really, really nice little knife. Let's take a look at what we have in here. All right. Let's see. What could it possibly be? Oh my. Oh my. And an Olight too. Wow. Okay. All right. That was a little extra. I wasn't expecting an Olight, exclusive Olight for 16th anniversary, and a Band-Aid. Well, that's awfully nice of them. Wow. All right, so this is supposed to be like new in the box. So let's take a look. I don't know if you can tell what this is. That's SPK. So let's see what we got. Make sure I can get in there. Okay. Oh, pulls out. Does it pull out like that? Oh, got to get it right there as well. Set shoot free. There we go. Whew, here we go. Something I've been wanting for a long, long, long time. All right, very simple packaging. I like it. I like it. Straight, right to the point. You don't have to do a lot of thrill stuff if you got a really good knife, and that's what I hear. So here we are. The SPK Lamia. Look at that beautiful little milling pattern right there, nice and polished. Love this texture. It's got like a texture on there, but it's got like a nice grippiness to it. Almost feels like sandblasted, but not. Love the back spacer. Nice full pivot there. Looks like T10, probably T8s all the way around. Hidden hardware. 2 screws there, 2 screws there, and then a little, is that an over seal bar insert over travel stop? It looks like it for sure. All right, so then we have the blade itself. Beautiful, nice and polished. All right, so there we go, beautifully chamfered all the way around. No rough spots anywhere. So let's give it a shot. Here we go. All right, there we are. Beautiful drop point. Like the nice flat blade. Almost looks like a little bit of a recurve, but it's not. Really cool. Nice lock engagement. Good 20%. There's the steel bar over travel stop. No sharp edges there. I love the clip with no point. Nice, easy clip to go over there. Some people say they don't like the clip. I wonder why. Yep, nice and smooth in there as well. Okay, so here we are on a blade with a step mill pattern. Okay, very cool. Step mill pattern. I love this polished look up here. Now, I believe this is Elmax, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see this action. Ooh. It's SPK right there. Oh, there's Elmax, right? Let's do that again. Oh, very, very nice. All right. Oh, that's nice. Okay, very cool. I like that. Trying to get that feel for it. Now I wonder, can you? Just curious. I don't know if you can. That's pretty crisp. So I didn't know. Do you have bonus flick? Absolutely bonus flick. All right, so let's see. Do we have a ramp on here? We do definitely have a ramp. You can definitely see that. Over travel stop. Very good. Very good. What do we have inside here? Okay. Basic stuff. Gotcha. Gotcha. All right. I don't know if there was any sort of certificate of authenticity or anything that came with it. I'm going to guess that's a no. So, pretty basic in the box. I guess they don't come with certificate of authenticities or something. It's kind of cool that there's an Olight. I wasn't expecting that, but that's cool. So there we are. Okay. Nice step milled. I do like that. That reminds me a lot of my Rob Johnson's cedar. So what are we hitting? We're hitting the ramp there. Okay, very good. No blade play. Any pivot play? No. Let's listen to that detent. Nice and clickety. A detent lash? No. Pretty good utilization for the blade to handle ratio. I like that. Get a nice presentation. I've got large hands with big meaty fingers, so if you have extra large hands with regular sized fingers, double extra large hands with smaller fingers, that's about going to be your grip. Have plenty of room there. Definitely can choke up. Not really a sharpening tool, but you could sharpen all the way up there. Comes to a pretty thin edge. Pretty sharp. Yeah, let's look at that edge. Edge looks pretty even on both sides. Yeah, it's a really nice edge. Very cool. I like the sort of satin finish, stonewash sort of combination there. You see the satin finish there, and I love the step milling. That's really cool. This is really cool. This texture, this feel on there. And I like the little clip. I think the clip is cool. I like the little step there you can get to the screw. That's really cool. A lot of good weight relief on the inside. You can see that. Really nice. Action's really nice. That opens and closes really nice. That's cool. Yeah. So when it closes, catches right there. It's a nice little place for a finger. You're not going to have a guillotine on your thumb. I like that. Action's really phenomenal. Flips really nicely, beautifully. Reverse. You can get in there as well. So just finger up on top works pretty nicely. Finger right here. Can I do it like that? Absolutely. It's got a small enough of a lock bar. It's not really going to be in the way. And if you want to, you could absolutely use the clip as well. And can I easily do the middle finger reverse flick down here? Let's see. Maybe not as easily. I think the reverse, the thumb hole is definitely the preferred method. And of course you can slow roll it. Likewise on the left hand as well. Absolutely slow roll it. That's nice. I do like that. Really cool. All right. I like the pivot. There's something about the elementary that you have there, right? It just functions. It works. Just like right here, you got the Prince Customs Proteon, and that one works really nicely. So does the Lamia. Heard so many wonderful things about the Lamia that I, for the longest time, really wanted to get my hands on one of these. And it became a grail, and I have it. So nice cutaway, beautifully chamfered, nice little chamfering right there. Good access. You're not getting tired. Easy access, easy release on there. Works really nice. I'm not fatigued, not feeling like I have to stick my finger in there. Really small spot that's very uncomfortable. Action's really nice. It's crisp. It's good detent. I like that a lot. Out of curiosity, I feel like I'd like to see what edge we're talking about here. You know me, I just like to see what we got here. So it looks like it might be a pretty steep angle. So let's see. Here we go. So it looks like about 20, 25 degrees, maybe 20, 22, 23 degrees. I'm going to guess. That might still be too high. Maybe 20. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. I do like that. Nice and sharp. I'll put that over here. Get that out of the way. Let's see. Kind of curious how sharp is it? Oh, it's a razor. That's nice. All right, so just for the fun of it, I have a couple of sheets of paper here. Let's see what we're dealing with here. It'll be fun to try that. Oops. Uh-oh. Is there a spot that I'm hitting? So it might be a little dull right there. Hitting a little catch spot. makes me think it needs a little bit more stropping, you know what I mean? Like right up here somewhere. There we go. That feels nice and sharp. Let's see if that changes things. Little spot right there. Let's take a look at that and see if that needs to be reprofiled or caught something, or we just got a burr or something. I don't know. Sharp though, feels incredibly sharp. Just not seems to catch a little bit. I mean, now it's step milled, and you know, I used to think, oh, that could be the step. No, it's not, because I've had some other step milled knives and have no issues with cutting. So I'm thinking it's probably just a little burr or something that I need to take a look at with my little jeweler's scope. But still really nice. I really like this one. The step milling is always a really nice additive feature. I feel like it makes it worth more valuable as a knife. Definitely has some great action for sure. I'm enjoying that. Yeah, that's really nice. How are we? Are we dead center? We are dead center. And I love the fact that I have, oops, I have middle finger reverse bonus flick. I think that's always really nice. Can I do it? Reverse hand? I don't know if I can. Yeah, it doesn't matter because I can use the thumb hole over here, but it's always difficult to get it left-handed unless you have a really good grip. But there we have the SPK little emblem on there, so that's really cool. All right, I guess I was kind of bummed. I thought there would be some sort of certificate of authenticity. If there, hey, you guys who own a Lamia out there, let me know. Maybe there's not one. Or maybe there is. Maybe it just got lost. But if there isn't, maybe I hear all the information's on the inside of the knife. And, you know, you look at that. There's also some things I can't show. But that maybe that's where he keeps all the information. That's where I'm going to find all my authentic stuff. So I will take a look at that. I believe it's already running on Skiff Caged Bearings. So I may not need to tune this. But you know me. I like to take a knife apart and clean it and look at it and just see what's on the inside. Just because that's what I do. But I hear this is one of those I probably don't want to take apart in front of you guys because I might have to blur some stuff out. But, you know, we'll take a look. We'll see. Definitely a cool knife. I do like this a lot. Yeah, it's really cool. It's been such a stressful day that I have not had a chance to decompress. I really wanted to open this just kind of as a stress reliever, but I'm still pretty stressed from work and projects. So I'm enjoying this. It's very... I don't seem to be overjoyed and blowing up and being like all giddy because it's such a heavy day. And this is actually really, really nice opening. So for me, it's more like of a kind of thing. So I'm enjoying that. I'm enjoying that a lot. So yeah, I do like it. I do like it a lot. Very unique. And it's a design I like for sure. So very, very cool. I do dig that. I do dig that a lot. All right, so that's the SPK Lamia. A very, very cool little knife I'm glad to get a hold of in my collection. As far as I'm concerned, my grail collection is complete as far as the things I've really wanted. Yeah, may there be new grails? I'm sure there will be at some point. But the next grails are going to be stretch goals, really out there, you know. There's a few knives I really would like to get. The ProTech TR3, I know that's coming out. It's dropped recently. I had it in my cart, and I took too long to check out, and I got sniped. So there you go. I had a chance at it. Oh well. But I got a chance at this one, so I was really excited about that. Really, really, really digging it. So very cool. Very cool. SPK Lamia. Nice, nice little knife here. I'm enjoying that. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hey, if you guys have the knife or you have any thoughts on it, any comments, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Also, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button down there below as well? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who enjoys the content, who watches the live streams, who's part of the whole community here. I appreciate you very much. Thank you. And also to my channel members, a big, huge thank you. You guys are so instrumental in allowing me to do some things really, really early or sooner than I ever thought I would be able to do. So I appreciate you guys so very much. Also, at times when work has been so overwhelming, I thought, I don't know if I can get to it this week. You guys have really been a motivation for me to keep pushing forward. And for that, I am so grateful and I'm so appreciative for you guys. So thank you. I like to do two special things for my channel members to say thank you. One, every brand new channel member, email me with your name and address. I'll mail you a sticker, a channel sticker, just to say thank you. Absolutely want to do that. A little personal note. So just know that. Two, I do a once a month members giveaway. I try to make it a very exclusive premium sort of giveaway. Just to say thank you. You guys have been so generous with the memberships. I want to be generous back and say thank you back to you guys. So keep an eye out for that. If that's of interest to you, maybe just supporting the channel is cool and I'm eternally grateful. But maybe you also like the idea of the giveaway and you want to be a part of that. Hey, I'd love to have you. Or maybe you just really dig the sticker and you're like, man, I got to get that sticker. There's a link down below in the description on how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. I would be honored to have you as a member. I really would. But please don't ever feel obligated. Know that I appreciate you just being here, watching, being part of the community. Thank you. But if you do want to support the channel, I am very grateful and appreciative. Just know that. So thank you to everyone out there who's part of the channel, who's part of the community, who's part of the live streams. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.